Most drivers spend thousands fixing problems their car could have warned them about if they knew how to use one tiny button. And the crazy part? This button has been sitting right in front of millions of Americans for years. Some people use it every single day to protect their engine, improve safety, save fuel, and avoid expensive repairs, while everyone else completely ignores it. Today, we're testing the hidden car button that could literally save you thousands of dollars. And by the end of this video, you'll probably start using it every time you drive. Alright guys, welcome back. Modern cars are packed with hidden features most people never touch. But this one is different because it's actually useful. No gimmicks, no fake TikTok hacks, no duct tape fixes. This is a real feature built into millions of vehicles across America. And depending on your car, this tiny button can help with better traction in rain and snow, preventing wheel spin, safer highway driving, protecting your transmission, even improving fuel efficiency in certain situations. Yet, somehow, most drivers have no idea what it actually does. So today, we're breaking it down in the simplest way possible and testing whether it's actually worth using. The button we're talking about is the traction control button. You've probably seen it before. It usually shows a little car icon with squiggly lines underneath it. And if you've ever accidentally pressed it, you probably saw a weird light pop up on your dashboard and immediately thought, that can't be good. But here's what's actually happening. Traction control is designed to stop your wheels from slipping when the road gets dangerous. So imagine this. You're driving in heavy rain. You hit the gas too hard. Your tires lose grip. Without traction control, your car can slide, spin, or lose stability. But with the system active, your car automatically reduces wheel spin to help you stay in control. And honestly, most people don't realize how much technology is working behind the scenes every time they drive. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but how does this save money? Simple. Losing traction can destroy tires faster, stress your drivetrain, and in bad situations, lead to accidents that cost thousands. According to safety experts, traction-related crashes become much more common during rain, snow, and icy conditions. And even if you never crash, spinning your wheels constantly puts extra wear on your tires. Tires in America are expensive now. A decent set can easily cost over $1,000. And that's before installation. But here's where things get interesting. There are actually moments when turning traction control OFF can help you. And that's the part most drivers never learn. When you should turn it off. This is where things start getting controversial. Because normally, traction control should stay ON. But in certain situations, turning it OFF temporarily can actually help your car escape difficult conditions. For example, if your car gets stuck in deep snow, mud, or sand, traction control can sometimes reduce power. Too much. Your car keeps cutting engine power because it thinks the slipping is dangerous. But when you disable traction control, the wheels are allowed to spin more freely, which can help the car break loose and escape. That's why experienced drivers sometimes turn it off briefly in those situations. But here's the important part. This is not something you should do while driving aggressively on normal roads. A lot of people online treat traction control like a sports mode button. That's how you end up in a ditch. The system exists for a reason, and unless conditions specifically require it, keeping it ON is usually the safest choice. The test. So we decided to test it. First, we drove normally with traction control ON. Everything felt smooth and stable. Then we tested low grip conditions. The moment the wheels started slipping, you could actually feel the system stepping in. Power was reduced instantly, and the car stayed controlled. Then we turned traction control OFF, and the difference was immediate. The wheels spun way more aggressively. Acceleration felt stronger at first, but control dropped fast. You suddenly realize how much the car was helping you the entire time. Honestly, it's one of those features you barely notice until it's gone. And that's probably why so many people underestimate it. Biggest mistakes. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes drivers make with this button. Mistake E1. Turning it off permanently. Some people disable traction control because they think it makes them a better driver. Bad idea. Modern systems react faster than humans ever could. Mistakes 2. Ignoring the warning light. If the traction control light stays on constantly, your system may have a sensor issue. And ignoring it can eventually affect braking and stability systems too. Mistakes 3. Thinking all cars work the same. Different vehicles use different traction systems. A sports car behaves differently than a truck or SUV. Always check your owner's manual before messing with safety settings. And yes, I know nobody reads those. Why most people never use it? So why do 90% of owners never use this feature correctly? Because dealerships rarely explain it. Most people buy a car, learn how to connect Bluetooth, and that's it. Meanwhile, modern vehicles are basically computers on wheels. They have hidden systems designed to improve safety, save fuel, and prevent damage, but drivers never learn about them. And honestly, that's why videos like this blow up online. People love discovering features they've had for years without realizing it. But here's another thing. Most drivers never realize about the traction control button. In many modern cars, the system doesn't just help during rain or snow. It also protects the engine and transmission from sudden power loss caused by aggressive wheel spin. When drivers floor the accelerator too hard, especially on slippery roads, the tires can lose grip instantly. Without traction control, that sudden wheel spin puts extra stress on the drivetrain and can wear components faster over time. But with the system active, the car automatically balances power between the wheels to keep everything smoother and more controlled. We actually tested this during hard acceleration on a wet road, and the difference was obvious immediately. With traction control ON, the car stayed stable and predictable. But once it was OFF, the wheels spun aggressively and the vehicle felt much harder to control. That's why this tiny button is more important than most people think. It's not just about safety. It's also about protecting your car from unnecessary wear, improving stability, and helping drivers stay in control during unexpected situations on the road. So the next time you get in your car, look for that tiny button with the squiggly lines. Because now you actually know what it does, and when to use it. And trust me, understanding your car better can save you way more money than any fake internet car hack ever will. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more real car features, hidden tricks, and viral automotive tests. And comment below. Did you already know what the traction control button actually does? Or did this video surprise you? Thanks for watching, and drive safe.